Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to order on Instagram shop. So let's get into the video. So if you open up your Instagram, and mostly you will see the shop icon on your bottom tab here. So instead of the Reels tab, you should see a shop icon if Instagram shop is available in your region. But if it doesn't, so what you can do, you can still shop. So if you can go to the search bar and then just search in any products page or brands that you wish to shop. So if you search them, then under their page, like for example here, so under the page you will see the shop icon here. So simply click on the shop icon, so that will take you to their shop page here. So now here you can simply browse through their Instagram shop page. So if you want to purchase something, for example an item here, so you can just click on it and then it will open up the item details here, and then you can browse through the item, and if you want to go ahead with the purchase, you can click on view on website. So this will take you to their website where you can view their stuff. So for example here, so this have taken me to their website. So now what you have to do is simply like how you normally do any e-commerce shopping. So you're on their site, and if you like something, so just since it's a cloth, I'll select the size and then hit on add to bag, and then all you have to do is just check out with the payment and everything. So like how you normally do on every other sites like eBay or Amazon. So it's pretty much the same thing. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.